Hi, I'm Dan. So, ngayon, second year college student po ako. Tapos, well, medyo med course kasi, so very busy. Kaya, wala masyado. So, this is the first in a while. To be honest, nakita lang din namin yung brother ko kasi and girlfriend niya na ilang beses na kasi nilang na-try, tapos yung pinaka-recent, super ganda na ng mga videos nila. Tapos nung nagkasama-sama kami with the cousins, napag-usapan namin na pwede rin ba namin i-try, ganyan. Tapos very encouraging naman sila, especially here. So, tinay na namin. CO2, like what I said kanina, kasi po, nung tinanong namin yung kuya ko and yung si Ate Rosewell, sinabi nila na very accommodating naman to. Tapos, yung mga kasama, ganyan, yung mga coaches, hindi, very fun to be with. So, kami na baka hindi naman masyadong nakakatakot if ganun yung kasama. After, kasi ako, to be honest, takot ako sa mga, medyo recently lang ako nag-start to enjoy it actually. Lalo na hindi ako pumupunta sa malalalim, kaya ang dami kong tanong kila kuya before this. Pero after this, sana medyo mas confident na ako kahit na walang salbabida, gano'n. Sana kasi kahit pag magbe-beach kami magpipinsan, lagi ako nangihiram sa mga bata namin cousin. So, sana, kaya ko na ako lang mag-swim, ganun.
You can never sleep in traffic. There's living steady panic. I know 'cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits, just like gadgets. You tell me with the two hands, I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like. Need me to get your bills paid. That's what you said. Well, guess I'm just too fake for that.
Siguro yung most is yung first duck dive ko sa open water na talaga. Kasi sa pool, okay siya, pero iba na kapag nandun ka na talaga eh. Kasi andun na yung lahat ng ibang factors na wala sa pool. Like yung sabi ni ate sa amin na may noise na ron, mas kailangan mo mag-focus. Sa una, mahirap, mas nakakapanik. Pero when you're having fun kasi, parang kaya mo naman. Yung hindi ko alam dati na mas na-emphasize ngayon nung na-try ko na is yung breathing control ko. Kasi akala ko dati you hold your breath tapos you dive, ganyan. Ang dami pa palang kailangan mo before actually diving. Kailangan mong, like what you said, like what the coach said before nung orientation, parang nasa state of mind din siya eh. To those who wants to try free diving, I think just try it. Kasi kami rin, ako personally, wala like yung knowledge ko sa kanya, as in little to no talaga. Kasi, pero nung nandito naman na, like when you really want to try, when you know na gusto mo talaga, edi I think nandun naman na yung willpower to learn, ganyan. Naman! Kasi, it's fun eh. It's fun. It's a community nga talaga.